Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name on the Slack app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your display name on the Slack app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Slack. Then click on your profile picture on the upper right hand corner. Then go ahead and click on your name next to your profile picture again. And then when you scroll down, there's going to be a section that says display name. That is where you're going to go ahead and change your display name on the Slack app. Afterwards, click on save on the upper right hand corner, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your display name on Slack. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.